Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jason Han Jingshen from class 84. Today I'm going to talk about robots in medical recovery and nursing. Along with the development of modern technology, robots have been involved in more and more sectors. For example, you can commonly see a robot in a restaurant carrying out a plate. Or otherwise, you can see a robot in a manufacturing industry that carrying on massive work used to be done by several human workers. In my essay, I have listed three main uses mainly focusing on healthcare. The first one is surgical robots, and the second one is nursing robot, and the last one is rehabilitation robots. Here are three main advantages and how the healthcare sector can be helped by robots. Assistance of disabled group. Both those people with mental or physical disability can be helped by robots. Helping hand of people after amputation. This group of people just lost part of their body, so they needed help of robots to get back to the life again and to start their life without part of their body again. And the last one is the main purpose of design for the rehabilitation robots to the recovery of the injured athletes. So how the disabled person are helped? For the mental disability, the robots with emotional sensitivity can help interaction with the group with mental illness, for example, autism and mental breakdown. As robot is a machine, it's more acceptable for those people who have autism. It can relieve their pressure when having communication. They can express their perspective spontaneously, instead of they might be a bit passive to talk with human. The robots with internal remote control setup can help those people with disability, especially who have problem with their arm or hand. The robots like this can help them carrying on different kind of stuff for them and can bring great convenience. This can replace the workers employed, especially to carrying them, to take care of the people with disability. So these labor can be switched to do more advanced job, and the labor market can increase supply as well. About the amputation, the wheelchair robots are really worth mentioning. This high technology have been applied to different kinds of developed countries for those people who amputated their legs. This machine is flexible in the speed, direction, and different modes are available. For example, it have basically three main modes: the comfortable modes, the sportive modes, and the climbing modes. So when you switch comfortable modes to sportive modes, you can increase your speed, and the direction change can be more flexible. And the last one, climbing mode, is the most outstanding one. As you choose this mode, you can change the purpose of using the wheelchair. You can use this to cope with stairs and obstacles. This is a great help for those people who don't have a leg. And then we come to the rehabilitation robots. I'm gonna first give some background of sports injury and how these robots can help the recovery of it. So the injury in professional athletes' career is vital. This is the most constraint of their career, and everyone try to avoid injury. But if they got an injury, a robot is really essential, as they are more prescribed to get a program for them to recovery, and this can prevent the long-term injury in the future again. According to modern sports science, more and more schools start to use robots when they are carrying on rehabilitation program. The artificial intelligence in the rehabilitation robots is essential as it have higher precision, and this give fixed task for the injured athletes, and this can train their muscles and get the memory of the muscle and improve the flexibility of the muscle, and also increase stability and avoid injury in the future. Increasing precision and fasten recovery speed is another helpful point. However, the drawback is quite obvious as well. Too costly for smaller sized group. They might not able to afford such rehabilitation robots. So in conclusion, robots in healthcare are still controversial. The robots should still improve the awareness of their users and try to build a good reputation among them. There are three main ways to increase their future succession. The first one is higher precision and capability. The robots, the developers, and the investors need to increase the quality all the time to get it more convincing for the buyers and the users. The second one is try to reduce cost when they are produced, and this can make the sales price goes down and make it more affordable for everybody. And the third one, as an important step of the promotion, advertisement campaign is quite essential as well. So that's all for my talk about the robots in healthcare. Thank you for your listening.